This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We got Andrew back here with us this morning. Andrew comes in on an as-needed basis per symptomatic reoccurrence. As you can see from outside, it's flooding here in Houston today. So he braved the floodwaters like we did, and we're here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief for our first adjustment of the day. Let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards. And then neutral. Okay, and then looking down at the computer a lot, huh?
Yeah, and when I lean this way, it's like my back wants to go out.
Yeah, well, don't do that.
Like even just to pick up a diaper bag, like
it hurts when I do this. Don't do that.
And at those knees.
Everybody makes comments. Oh, every patient you see has forward head posture. Well, that's true, really, because of our modern day technology. We're always down on computers or laptops or iPads or cell phones, and we just got our head forward to almost everything that we do all day long, including myself. Adjusting. There we go. Okay. Nice, deep breath. Oh yeah. There we go. You feel that all the way down, Eddie?
Yes, sir. Can we do the opposites on the?
Oh, you went this way first. No, this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Oh boy.
That's right.
That's why crack addicts love you.
Alright, what's the right way to get up again? Cause I've been
Sideways.
So,
And bring your legs over to the side and push yourself up with your arm. Yep. That's the correct way. You should always get up from laying down in bed or from a table. Let's go ahead. Because when you sit straight up, the vertebrae go backwards. That's where the nerves are. So you can throw yourself back out of adjustment very quickly that way if you get up the wrong way. We try to teach our patients lifestyle changes and everyday activities of daily living so that they can help themselves maintain a better biomechanical alignment throughout the day, therefore holding their adjustments better and not hurting so much. That's why we give every single patient home exercises to do. Yeah. There we go. A lot of patients go, I don't ever remember you giving me exercises. I said, well, from day one.
every time.
Yeah, every time you come in.
That's right.
There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Okay, let's slide down this way just a little bit. Good. Yep, now slide down a little bit more. There we go. That's it. Okay, let's sit down, face toward Joseph here. There we go. Good job, Chris. Good. There. There we go. Good. Okay, let's stand up here in front of the mirror. And let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. And see, his head should be back further already, which it is. Yep, pull these guys in. Here's his homework right here. This is exercise. And it's the same for a lot of people because a lot of people have the forward head posture. In fact, almost everyone that walks in the door. It's called cat spine. You go on our website, advancedchiropractic.com. I wrote an article about that. There you go, on our blog. Okay, let's let you forward and backwards again. Neutral. Yep, take a look at that. Right down the middle now.
Sir, that's right.
Very good. So bottom line, Andy, would you mind telling our YouTube subscribers why you come here?
I come here because I'm in pain, and when I leave, I'm not. I come here because it's been just an adjustment for me personally. Just the way that I feel overall. Depending kind of as needed is when I come in, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, well, thank you for sharing your experience with everyone.
Thank you.
The bottom line is, people come here because they feel better when they leave.
That's right.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.